Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, become a part of our crew. So for today, I'm so excited. I am so excited because I have the side chick box for you guys. This is probably one of the superior boxes when it comes to adult subscription boxes, and I'm so excited to get into this with you guys. So if you're excited like I am, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, you guys, let's go over a couple of things about the box before we actually get into it. There are 3 different levels of the subscription. There is number 1, which is the Side Chick Mini. You'll get 4+ beauty and adult related items, and that one is $40 every other month. So this is a bi-monthly subscription, which is super nice. And then there is the regular Side Chick, which is the one that I have, and it is $70 a month, and you get 6 beauty and adult related items. And then there is the third one, which really isn't a subscription box. It's not one that you're going to be committed to every other month. It's a one-time purchase, and that is called the One Night Stand, and that one is $95. So you normally get one item of lingerie, which the sizes range from extra small to 5XL, and I absolutely love that they have that size range. So this is how it came this month. And then if you guys can see, all it says on there is TSCB, so the Side Chick box. So very extremely discreet packaging. Nobody's going to know what this is coming to your door, so you don't have to be like embarrassed or something for the mailman to drop it off. First, there's something outside of the box, and it comes nicely bubble wrapped, and we'll get into that in a second. And then it came with this little package on the outside, a little drawstring bag, and oh my god, that's cute. So this is the Side Chick Box Silky Booty Body Butter in Raspberry Vanilla. That's awesome. Okay, this was manufactured in Canada for Kinky Cosmetics. That is so adorable. I'm assuming this is not edible, but it smells like something you would definitely eat. Wow, I cannot wait to try that out. Yeah, don't eat that. Okay, and then also it came in this awesome, super high quality made drawstring bag. So let's see what else we got. This box is huge. Okay, so it's the Side Chick box. Their art on the top of this box is always super amazing, very pretty. That's a box I will probably reuse. And it's so full. The box got a little bit bent, so that's always fun. That's what the inside looks like. Kinky Cosmetics. Okie dokie. Pampered Princess box. Our Pampered Princess box brings you a date night with the person who matters the most, you. Pamper products fit for a princess. And then it has all the items and prices. So if you guys didn't see my last unboxing of the spicy subscription, after you watch this one, go check out that one and then let me know which box you guys like better. Oh my gosh. I'm assuming this is the lingerie piece. And I'm kind of living for this right now. How does it go? Okay. Oh, so it's kind of like a nighty shirt type of thing. And so it has buttons that go all the way up on it. Let me button that up for you guys. You guys, there is freaking tacos on this. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. It's got the long sleeves. Guess what I'm wearing tonight? Tacos. That is so cute, and it's so unbelievably soft. So soft. Oh yes. Okay, I'm so excited to see what else is in here. Oh my gosh. So another thing I really absolutely love about this box is it's not just adult items, I mean, there's a lot of adult items in here, don't get me wrong, but there's also other things like jewelry. And I've seen that makeup will come in here sometimes because the owner of the Side Chick box has her own makeup line as well. Let's see here. How do you do this? Okay, I'm not quite sure how to close it right now, but that's cute. And there is like flowers and this little box on the end, or not box, but like a cage that you can open. So I'm assuming there's going to be something else in this box that goes with that. We'll see. Oh, maybe this is what's supposed to go in there. It's like a little pink pom-pom. Let's see. That's what it is. Ew, and then it turns the inside of the cage pink. I think so. Oh, wait, there's orange too. Pom-pom. Okay. Nuh-uh. I was literally just looking at these on Amazon. Okay, so it's a sleep mask that has headphones inside. Oh, you know what? I think I understand. So this would take away 2 of your senses. Get it? Can't see and you can't hear, and then your partner gets to choose the music you listen to. That's interesting. See, that's one thing about these boxes is you find things that you wouldn't normally think to find. Or I was looking for these recently on Amazon, and it was just because I wanted something to go over my eyes and for me to listen to while I'm sleeping. That is so awesome. And it's super soft, of course. Okay. And next, gosh, you guys, there's so much in here. So much. Lust Dust. Lust Dust Bath Dust in pineapple, and there's 50 grams in here. Slowly sprinkle powder into warm running bath water until desired quantity of bubbles of cheese. Agitate water with hand for maximum effect. Oh, that's cute. So it's like a pink and purple. And there's glitter in there. I can't smell through the package, but it's supposed to be pineapple scented. That will be so much fun. Oh, this box is amazing. Okay, I'm so confused. There's more pom-poms. I don't think that pom-pom was supposed to go in there. I don't know what the pom-poms are for. Hold on, I'm gonna take that one out. So we have a pink one, a blue one, an orange one, a red one, and a black one. Oh, I know what this is. This is one of those lava rocks. That goes inside the cage. Okay, so I'm assuming there's going to be some type of scent in here somewhere. I'm assuming. Or maybe you can go pick one up. What is this? Is this like a tickle wand? Oh my gosh. This is like a tickle wand. It's all in like Chinese or Japanese. There is no English on there. Oh no, I dropped something. Oh, the cord. Okay. It's a charging cord. So that's what it looks like on its own. It's very, very, very soft. And then it has a button, but I don't think there's a battery with it. And then you slip these little silicone things over top. But I'm just not sure. Because look at it. I don't know. Hopefully there's some type of other directions in here. But so far that's interesting. Oh, and then here is the directions to the mask. Fashion Sleep Eye Mask. And then the charger for the mask. And then we have one more thing in here and a paper. Figure out your skin type so that you can narrow down products you don't need that alone will prevent spending unnecessary money. So there's basically things in here on how to get the best out of your skincare. Okay, and then, oh, okay. So I think that actually might be a vibrator. Sleek pinpoint. You know what? We have one more thing in here, so let's look at this first. Skin Test Nano Sprayer. Test and replenish skin moisture anytime, anywhere. So I think this is for your skincare. This is the vibrator for the month. That is so sleek and just elegant looking. And then this, I believe, is for your face, for your skincare. I'm dropping cords all over the place. There's a thing right there. It lights up. It also has like a percentage on the screen right there. Oh, it's not going to show you guys. Okay, let's read this now. This is an amazing box. Okay, so the Sleek Pinpoint Clitoris Vibrator. Self-pleasure has never been easier with the 10-mode Pinpoint Clitoris Vibrator with 3 interchangeable heads. USB charging and waterproof. Hold the front button, turn on and off, press down to shift through the different vibrating settings. So actually, there might be batteries in here right now. I didn't press and hold. Oh, yes, there is. A lot of settings. Whoa. Wow. So there's like 10 million different settings on there. The Nano Facial Steamer with charging port, skin moisturizer testing. Moisturize your skin, suitable for all skin types. Please refer to the directions for use, which is over on this side. And then the aromatherapy bracelet. That's this guy. So why is there pom-poms in here? Use a dropper or a Q-tip to apply your favorite essential oil, which is not included. To one of the... Oh, okay. Supplied lava or puffball. Place ball in chamber of charm. Closed, use consumption safe essential oil. So that's cool. So you can put essential oils on these little puff balls and change the color of the inside of your basket. That's awesome. All right, let's go over prices really quick. So for the Lust Dust Bath Dust, that's that beautiful stuff right there. That is $10. And then the Self Love Clitoris Vibrator, this beautiful, sleek little bitch right here, is $30. Wow. And then the Silk Booty Body Butter, where'd you go? There you are. This little beautiful guy right here is $8. The Aromatherapy Charm Bracelet is $30. The Face and Body Steamer is $40. Whoa. The Sexy Sleepwear with the tacos in it, on it. Oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is $45, you guys. And then the Bluetooth, wireless Bluetooth sleeping eye mask is $28.99. So I'll be sure to leave a total right here. This is super amazing, you guys. I don't know about you, but what did you guys think? It's very catered to you. and things that you can use for yourself and fun things you can use for yourself, whereas the other spicy subscription one was more along the lines of just a bunch of cheap items that were thrown in a box that could be used as like things that you would get from like Spencer's Gifts for like $2 was thrown in that spicy subscription box. These things are actually like nice quality, expensive items. So I think I'm leaning more towards this box being the box that I would want to continue getting, which I will be continuing to get. So stay tuned till, let me see, we're in June right now. This is June's box. August, I believe they said the theme will be Carnival. So I'm not sure what that means, but it's got to be super fun. So be sure to leave this video a thumbs up. Let me know down below what you thought about this box, and I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.